So, Valentino suggests pink, and who am I to say no? I have some ideas on my mind, but I want to be sure that this fabric is gonna be enough to make something cool.
I took a paper and quickly sketched the fashion design because I want to have a general idea of how the final result will be. It's a very quick sketch, so it doesn't have a lot of details, but you can get the general idea. I wanted to create the ultimate Valentine dress. I designed the top part of the pattern to look like a heart. It's my favorite design for a dress, and I made the center part in this lovely color that Valentino used in his fall-winter collection 2022-2023. I wanted the skirt to move when I walk. I love when I dance and the skirt follows my movements. There is something very romantic about it, so I adjust the pattern to how loose I want it to be. I wanted the pink to stand out. To achieve this, I used black, which is a darker color, so that the pink stands out even more. Pink is the color of love and compassion and makes us feel accepted. It's friendly, playful, it's bringing joy and warmth into our lives. Pink is also a color that is bursting with pure romance. I mark the center of the skirt with a hand stitch so I can easily connect the center of the skirt with the center of the top.
All my pink pieces are ready. As for the marker, don't worry, it's removable. When I'm gonna wash the fabric, it's gonna come out because this is a fabric marker and it's very easy to wash it. It's more visible on the fabric, and when I'm using soap, I don't like it very much and it's a little bit messy. I prefer marker. So yeah.
I wanted to connect the top with the skirt so the heart looks like it continues from the beginning to the end of the dress. Also, the black color on the left and the right of it, constructed with a pink in the center, creates the illusion of the small waist that I absolutely love.
All the pieces are connected with pins here, and don't forget to leave the back piece open for the zipper. Okay? This is the most annoying thing ever. I just break my soap. Why? Okay. Put your marks to the fabric so it's gonna be more easy to connect your pieces. Nothing I can do. Pretty good.
Please ignore the little scar on my hands. For those who don't know, I am a boxer and I hurt my hands when I was hitting the punching bag. That's one of the reasons I often cover my hands when I do videos. So just pretend that it doesn't exist. Put on your headphones and your favorite playlist and just let yourself get lost in the process of creation. Enjoy every moment of what you're doing. Fall in love with the process. Sing, create, dance if it gives you inspiration. Feel free when you create something new. Make it feel special. Because it is. It's your ideas. It's your way of expression. I reinforced the inside of the dress with a stiff fabric, which I don't have any idea how to call this in English. And after that, I connect all the pieces together.
Finally, after a long time, really long time, my pieces are ready and now I'm gonna connect them all together. Quick update, guys. This is the dress. Okay. Ow. Ow. The pins. Ow. Okay, I'm good. I'm okay. Okay, so yeah. This is it. And now everything is hand stitched. I'm gonna make some small adjustments here and there. I'm gonna show it all together because it's full of pins right now. And yeah. Now. Okay. I'm so happy. This is gonna be great. Let's sew it. So this is the top part so far. I'm pretty happy with how it fits, and I just did a little bit adjustments to the stripes because they were a little bit long for me, but now I think they are okay. And now I'm gonna connect the top part with the skirt, and after that I'm gonna put the zipper and it's gonna be finished. Yeah.